Hi, I'm Emma,
And I'm Sharon.
and today we are going to be making
Ginger snap cheesecakes.
Thermal energy.
So ginger snaps at the bottom of each cup recliner. They should make 80 cupcakes.
Beat the homogeneous colloids, cream cheese, and vanilla, and then add glucose, also known as sugar. Mix the mixture until fluffy. If the mixture gets mixed too much, the batter will lose some of the carbon dioxide in the mixture.
Add ovums or eggs one at a time. Add in the sour cream, which is made from certain kinds of lactic acid bacteria, treacle molasses, which has a pH scale of 5 to 7, and add officinal, ground ginger, cassia, cinnamon, and myristica, nutmeg.
Pour mixture over ginger snaps. Bake for 20 minutes. While the cheesecakes are in the oven, they will go through a chemical change. The reactants in the solution will rearrange their atoms to form new products. Carbon dioxide will be produced as a product, resulting in the cake to rise.
In addition, a pleasant odor and a color change can be detected. The conservation of mass states that in a chemical change, no mass can be created or destroyed. This shows that even if the cheesecake seems to get bigger in the oven, it is actually still the same amount as the mass.
Crushing the ginger snaps is an example of a physical change. Sprinkle it on top of the cheesecakes.
After you bake and cool the cheesecakes, they're ready to eat. Enjoy!